Have you ever wondered why so many cars in Japan still drive smoothly with over 200,000 or even 300,000 miles on the original brake components? While many drivers in other countries replace brake pads every 25,000 to 40,000 miles, Japanese drivers often make their brake systems last nearly twice as long. In today's video, I'm going to show you 7 Japanese driving habits that can literally extend your brake life by years, save thousands in repair costs, improve fuel economy, and even make your entire car feel smoother and more premium. And trust me, once you start driving this way, you will notice your brakes lasting far longer than before. Let's dive in. Habit number 7, slow in, smooth out philosophy. One of the biggest secrets behind Japanese brake longevity is the way drivers approach slowing down. Instead of racing toward traffic lights and slamming the brakes at the last second, Japanese drivers begin slowing early and brake progressively. Research into braking behavior shows that aggressive braking dramatically increases brake temperature, which directly accelerates brake pad wear. And that extreme heat rapidly destroys both pads and rotors. Japanese drivers understand that the smoother the braking force, the lower the heat buildup. This is why many taxis in Japan can accumulate hundreds of thousands of miles. Smooth braking also reduces wear on tires, suspension bushings, and wheel bearings. In Japan, smooth driving is often seen as a sign of skill and respect for the machine rather than weakness. The less violently you stop the vehicle, the longer your entire braking system survives. Habit number 6, looking far ahead. Instead of only watching the car in front, one driving habit deeply taught in Japan is visual anticipation. Most drivers only focus on the vehicle directly ahead, but Japanese drivers are trained to scan far down the road. By looking 10 to 15 seconds ahead, they can predict traffic flow before problems happen. This allows them to lift off the throttle earlier instead of braking suddenly. For example, if traffic is slowing far ahead, automotive engineers estimate that coasting can reduce brake usage by nearly 30% in city driving. This is one of the biggest reasons Japanese urban drivers preserve their braking systems so well despite heavy traffic. Anticipation driving also lowers fuel consumption because every unnecessary brake application wastes the momentum your engine already created. Japanese drivers understand that preserving momentum preserves the entire car. The less often you touch the brake pedal, the longer your brakes survive. Habit number 5, using engine braking properly. This is one of the most important Japanese driving habits, especially in mountainous regions. Instead of relying entirely on friction brakes, Japanese drivers frequently use engine braking to slow the car naturally. In manual cars, this means smooth downshifting. In automatic vehicles, drivers may use L, B, or manual shift modes during downhill driving. Research on regenerative and friction braking systems shows that driving behavior heavily influences brake wear, and aggressive braking can create 2 to 4 times more brake dust emissions than smooth driving. Japanese mountain drivers have practiced engine braking for decades because constant downhill brake usage destroys pads and warps rotors quickly. Many Japanese truck fleets rely heavily on engine braking because replacing heavy-duty braking systems is extremely expensive. One scientific study found regenerative braking systems reduced brake particle emissions by as much as 85%. That is a massive reduction in both brake wear and pollution. Habit number 4, maintaining safe following distance. Tailgating is one of the fastest ways to destroy your brakes. Drivers who follow too closely are forced into constant panic braking situations that generate extreme heat and friction. Japanese drivers are generally far more disciplined when it comes to following distance. By leaving more space, they allow the car to slow naturally with minimal brake pressure. This simple habit dramatically reduces sudden braking events. According to driving behavior studies, progressive braking is far smoother. In heavy city traffic, Japanese drivers often barely touch the brake pedal compared to aggressive drivers who constantly stab at the brakes every few seconds. This difference may seem small in one trip, but over 5 or 10 years, the wear difference becomes enormous. Many drivers unknowingly destroy their brakes simply because they drive too close to the vehicle ahead. Japanese drivers prioritize smooth traffic flow rather than aggressive positioning. The result is less brake dust, less rotor damage, and significantly longer-lasting components. Habit number 3, momentum preservation. Japanese drivers treat momentum like energy stored inside the car. Every time you touch the brakes unnecessarily, you are converting expensive fuel and forward motion into useless heat. This is why expert drivers constantly manage momentum instead of constantly accelerating and braking. Japanese hypermiling studies found that smoother momentum control significantly reduces brake usage in urban environments. This technique can reduce brake applications hundreds of times per week during city driving. Taxi drivers in Tokyo are known for barely touching their brakes in moderate traffic because they predict traffic flow far ahead. The less kinetic energy the brakes need to absorb, the longer the pads and rotors survive. Momentum preservation also reduces transmission stress, tire wear, and fuel consumption simultaneously. Professional drivers understand that smoothness is mechanical efficiency. A car driven with proper momentum management can feel newer even after hundreds of thousands of miles. Habit number 2. Managing brake temperature during mountain driving. Japanese mountain roads are some of the best training grounds for advanced brake preservation techniques. Professional drivers understand that brake lifespan, instead of continuously pressing the brake pedal downhill, they use pulse braking techniques, meaning firm braking for short periods followed by release phases that allow cooling airflow across the rotors. Continuous light braking traps heat inside the pads and rotors, causing brake fade and rapid wear. Performance driving instructors often teach that controlled, intermittent braking is far safer than dragging the brakes continuously. Japanese drivers also understand the importance of gear selection before entering steep descents. Preparing early prevents panic braking later. This discipline is one reason mountain drivers in Japan often preserve their braking systems far better than inexperienced drivers. Proper heat management is one of the most advanced secrets behind long brake life. Habit number 1. Minimizing brake drag at high speeds. One professional-level habit many drivers never think about is avoiding unnecessary brake pedal contact at highway speeds. Even slight brake drag creates enormous heat because of the speed involved. Some drivers unknowingly rest their foot lightly on the brake pedal while driving, which causes minor pad contact with the rotor. At high speed, this tiny contact can generate significant temperature increases and accelerate brake glazing. Japanese professional drivers are extremely disciplined about foot positioning. On highways, experienced drivers use throttle control and lane planning to minimize unnecessary braking completely. This keeps brake temperatures low and improves overall efficiency. Japanese driving culture strongly values calm and stable highway behavior because high-speed brake overheating can destroy braking performance rapidly. Long-lasting brakes are often the result of minimizing unnecessary heat cycles during daily driving. That's all for this video. So now I want to ask you, which of these Japanese driving habits do you already use and which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.